Lovelies, let's be very real and practical. That's why this channel is here for you. On a daily basis, what do you post on your status? I mean WhatsApp status. Now, whatever I post on WhatsApp status, I post for the sake of getting customers, clients, followers, and fans. On a daily basis, if you post a product, if you post a link, if you post, when I talk about link, I mean Facebook, YouTube, affiliate marketing, and others. Now, suppose every day, when I'm talking about every day, I mean 24 hours, because the post is, your WhatsApp status is going to stay for 24 hours. Every 24 hours on your WhatsApp status, you post 5 products. Me, I always post three links. And in these links, at least I make sure I get audience. And suppose your product that you're posting costs $100. Out of 40 people that are watching you, are watching your status, at least you make sure that 10 of them are buying. If 10 of them are buying, that is $40. I mean $400. Now, let's go on the drawing board. You are for the product. Me, I'm for service. When I post 5 links, at least when 70 people watch my status, out of 70 people, 50 or to 60% go and watch my videos. Out of 60 people, go and click and watch the videos. Now, when they watch the videos, that is money. That is number one. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from work. This is a lady that says we should be creative, we should be productive, whether we have a job or we don't have a job. If you know you're holding a smartphone, this is the right time for you never to say, I'm lacking money. So today, I'm going to be taking you in a tutorial on how you can earn $100 from WhatsApp status. I know some of you are going to fight with your right now with your clipboard, saying, how come, how do I get that money, where is the function? No, baby girl, go and check your WhatsApp status, see what you're posting there, see who is watching it, see your community around you, and start making money. Before we dive into how we are going to make money on WhatsApp status, I would love to say thank you to everybody, especially my top 10 fans, royal fans on Facebook, on YouTube, but majorly on YouTube and Facebook. I love you so much. Don't forget, this is a disclaimer. I'm not a financial consultant. I'm not a financial guru. I'm not here to train you on how to make money, but I'm here to expose to you the steps that a smartphone, your WhatsApp, your social media platforms, the platforms that you use every day, what they can do for you. In today's video, let's dive in and see. First and foremost, do you have a WhatsApp? If you have WhatsApp, is it business? Is it ordinary WhatsApp? I want you to head over to your WhatsApp right now. If you head over to your WhatsApp right now, you go and check. If you open your WhatsApp before, let's go together. I told you it might be a long video because it is a tutorial. I'm very sure there are some people who don't know that this exists. The only thing you put there, you put your photos, you put what you've eaten, you put songs and others, depending on what you want. But now I'm talking to the audience that says, I lack money. Now, this is your WhatsApp. When your WhatsApp is like this, just you open the interface. Don't run to open anywhere. Let me put the light like this for you to check. Will you see? No, let me put like this. So when you open your WhatsApp like this, down on WhatsApp, we have chats, we have updates, communities, and calls. Me, I want you to go and click on updates. On updates, this is where we find WhatsApp status, and this is what everybody is putting. If I can go to this is WhatsApp business on this phone. If I go to open it, I'm going to open for Christine, mine. You can see what I posted. I posted some things. I posted links. We are taking a sample survey. I'm going to post for someone from Uganda to open. This person posted something about love of God and put I'm looking for somebody. I'm looking for you, a business person. A business person, Citizen Oluwatosin, that is my guy. This is Citizen Oluwatosin is here. This is his WhatsApp status. If you look at his WhatsApp status, this is what I mean, how we can make money. He is putting a flyer, and this flyer reads, Citizen Oluwatosin, that is my cup of tea. Small capital, big dreams, webinar. Hold tomorrow at 7 p.m. And he continues, he puts the link, the next, how to do business right in UAE. And when you click on it, he puts capital in Dubai Limited. He continues and put tap send. When he goes, you continue. I want you to go and check. Let's continue to see another person. I'm looking for people who know Abiora. Abiora is also my mentor and my guy. Abiora, you can see what he's posting. This is all about real estates, accommodation, business, and other things. But all these ones, they come. Then we go and see also Priscilla. Now let's come now. Now, the moment you've known what people are putting on WhatsApp, I don't want to open others who are just putting their photos and their food they ate last night. No. Now, how do you make this $100 from this? This is a real gist. I want you to come to these updates. Click on WhatsApp on your status here. You either add a link, a photo, or a video. Now, how do you use it to make money? Do you have any passion? Are you a person? Let's start with products. Around you, this WhatsApp, by the way, it is a mini billboard for you. It is a mini advertising agent for you, for people around you and worldwide. What you do, you sit down, one, you see your passion. Two, you see what people around you are lacking. Three, you see what is most wanted thing around your place. How will you know it? Some of the things you'll know them because you know the people around you, what they love. And some of the things you'll know from yourself, what do you have as a product yourself? Like me, my product, I have rentals. My product, I have accommodation. I have clothes. I have t-shirts, customized t-shirt that is POD, product on demand. These are the things I can put there. So these are the things that I have. I have ebooks. So these are the things I can put. Even you can put if you have those tangible ones. Now the second thing, you might be having services. You're a kind of a person who does flyers. You're kind of a person who does who is good at graphics. You're kind of a person who's good at doing something, a skill that other people can buy. What you do, you go to your WhatsApp sub status, you put samples. After putting samples, you put contact me. The only thing that we don't know is that how to put them there. Now, before we go to how to put them there, I want us to go and see, what about people without anything? You don't have service, you don't have products, and you don't have content creation, or you're not an affiliate marketer. What do? Hold on. You can be, right now, you can jump in and start making money. I want you, first of all, to go to ChatGPT. When you go to ChatGPT, where do you stay? I stay in Jumeirah. Put there the most common things being ordered online by people within Jumeirah. Are you from Uganda? Wherever that location you are, because we want to first see. After extracting what they are ordering, go around, know where these things are being sold. Put the photos on your status. After putting your status, photos in your status, put how people can contact you. From there, people are going to be chatting you. One, there are things that you need to know, especially when you're dealing with WhatsApp status. How you entice, how you put the information on your WhatsApp status matters. The first message should The first photo or the first link, the first post should be making people to go to another state, another status that you've posted. Let them not get tired and swipe off. What you are supposed to do, at least put something that makes someone continue moving. Imagine if you're you and you open up my status, then you say, please subscribe to my channel. Would you continue? No. But if I put something, for example, I'm putting so and so from Uganda has given me a testimony of how he earned $100 from her WhatsApp status last week. Please see how she did it. You'll feel, okay, let me check. But if I'd put subscribe to my channel and I put the link, you would not go there, even if it is about how to make money on WhatsApp status. You will not go there. So we should know how to do it. Then the second pro tip is what you put. Why should you put 100 of them? I have a friend, you find he'll put service, he'll just bring photo service, he put watch, he put shoes, he put makeup, then you find they are like 55 something on your status. Whom do you if you're the one, I want you to always put yourself in the shoes of your viewers, the people you want to grab, the people you want to capture. If you're the one watching that status, would you continue pressing to see the next? You'll get bored. So there are some people who say, I've never earned from my WhatsApp status because my WhatsApp status is just limited. Like some of us, God blessed us with very big I'm telling you, my WhatsApp status is full. Why? Because I've been an evangelist. I'm a marketeer. So you find myself whenever I go, I collect contacts. I have people. I have contacts. But now, you might not be having those contacts. I want you to use this pro tip also. Go to Facebook. Connect. You know, Facebook and WhatsApp now can connect, and Instagram all can connect. Go to Facebook. Copy your link of WhatsApp status. Most people are doing it. Put it on your Facebook. Follow me on my WhatsApp for this and this and that. The person who is more interested is going to click and come. And the moment you click, is it on Facebook? Is it on TikTok? Anywhere, it will lead you to someone's WhatsApp. And when someone contacts you, you save that number. That's how we are going to enlarge our contact list. Now, can we come back? There we are talking about WhatsApp status. But apart from WhatsApp status, in the next video, we're going to be talking about worldwide, because WhatsApp status is limited to a number of people around you, the contacts you have. You even go to the extent of going for, of going to look for the status, for the contacts from other social media platforms. You can even go to the extent of going to Telegram to get more contacts. But in the next video, I'll be showing you how you can even expand to have a WhatsApp business channel. So guys, do you think you can sell what you have on WhatsApp status? You can sell in different ways. You can sell your unused items. You don't need to throw them on WhatsApp status. What you need to do, you need to take a photo of this glass if you no longer want it. I have a set of glass. I've used it for one week and I don't need it. I want to buy another one. There are some people like us who don't want to stay with the things for a long time. Instead of breaking and throwing this glass, press it somewhere, put a good background. You can take a photo in a photo studio, you post it on your WhatsApp status, and the people around you will get, why not buy it? Yeah, you put it at a cheaper price or at a reasonable price and people will buy it. Do you have unused furniture? You have used clothes, everything that is used, and apart from the undies, you can sell them on your WhatsApp status. You can sell your affiliate links, you can sell your ebooks, you can sell everything. For expansion of your contacts, just use other social media platforms to expand your horizon. You guys, can we go down and make $100 per day on our status? This is a disclaimer. You are not going to get $100 on the first day. WhatsApp status is also a billboard that you build. Some of you are going to watch this video and run, put on WhatsApp status. Then if you don't get $100, you come and say, this is a lie, it's a scam. No. You have to build. If I start today, I don't expect tomorrow, next day. I have to be consistent. So consistent is the key in everything that we do. You guys, let's go out and make money and chase poverty out of our lives and our lineage. Thank you very much. See you in another video.